The Supreme Court is set to make some very important rulings in the coming weeks. They will decide if Obamacare tax subsidies are legal.
A legal challenge that could doom Obamacare as we know it. Healthcare coverage for millions of Americans is hanging in the balance.
At stake is health insurance for 8 million people.
Look, I think Obamacare should be repealed and replaced altogether. I think we have an obligation and an opportunity. Maybe the Supreme Court will give us that opportunity.
Obamacare is really, I think, the worst thing that has happened in this nation since slavery.
I intend to speak in support of defunding Obamacare until I am no longer able to stand.
The reason why I ran for president in 2012 was to repeal Obamacare.
The best interest of the country would be achieved by pulling out Obamacare root and branch.
Obamacare is hurting our economy. It's hurting middle-class families. The House, I'm sure, at some point next year will move to repeal Obamacare.
Nelson Mandela stood up against a great injustice and was willing to pay a huge price. And I would make the argument that, we have a great injustice going on right now in this country, and Obamacare is front and center.
Because we're saying, let's repeal this failure.
And now it's up to all of us, the citizens in this room and across the country, to continue to help make the right to health care a reality for all Americans.